A set in Python is a collection of unique and unordered elements. It is defined using curly brackets or the set function. Sets are useful for removing duplicates and performing operations like union and intersection.
We use curly braces to define a set, which automatically removes duplicate values. We define a set called unique numbers with the values 1, 2, 3, 3, and 2. Since sets automatically remove duplicates, only unique values remain. Using the print function, we display the set, which only consists of 1, 2, and 3. Adding and removing elements in a set is really easy. We define a set called unique numbers with the values 1, 2, and 3. Using the add method, we add the number 4 to the set. Pay attention that it's not being added to the beginning or the end of the set, because sets do not have an order. And using the remove method, we delete the number 2 from the set, and finally we print the updated set with the label update set.